surefire list for a super healthy salad coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Like so many of you, we too want to eat healthy. Carol and I had a big chat about how to create a really delicious salad. We thought, you know what, salads are one of our most popular recipe segments on Weekend at the Cottage. Why don't we give viewers our top list of things we want you to put into your next healthy salad. First thing we want you to do is go to weekendатthecottage.com, bookmark the story, because you're going to want to reference our list of surefire ingredients. Second thing we want you to do, you might be a little pressed for time, just pin the story to your board for future reference. Final thing at the end of this video, why not share all of our great ideas with the people you like the most, the people whom you know are also trying to eat healthy. Okay, on to our story. We're going to start with a huge thank you to our friends at Urban Fresh at St. Lawrence Market. They offer a wide assortment of organic fresh fruit and vegetables. We went to them and we said, okay, let's talk about the best things we can put in a salad. Wait until you see all the stuff we've assembled. Now, to start a great salad, it's important to have a really strong base, and for this we're talking about greens. Greens give your salad a wonderful flavor, lots of vitamins. When you head to the store, you'll see the exact things we like about each of these. But the next time you go to start a salad, why not think about adding spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, and then microgreens. Try to include one or more of these fabulous base ingredients for your salad. Another thing we like adding to our salad, who doesn't? Fresh vegetables. They're going to give the salad a great crunch. Our top 5 picks, things we think will give you the best bang for your buck. How about carrots, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and an unexpected vegetable, kohlrabi. Head to the store at Weekend at the Cottage and learn all about the nutritional benefits of adding crunchy kohlrabi to your salad. We're big fans of tossing in a handful of nuts and seeds into our salads. Why not think about these the next time you go to make? How about almonds, walnuts, pecans, good old sunflower seeds, and of course pumpkin seeds? Wait until you see what's in these 5 items. Let's say you want to turn your salad into a meal. You've got to boost up the nutritional value, and for that you might want to add protein. We're suggesting 4 or 6 ounces of salmon. How about a little bit of roasted chicken? And failing that, if you want to keep things vegetarian, why not add some chopped up tofu? Fantastic. A lot of times when you go to fancy restaurants, you'll see them adding fruit to a salad. We are all for it. Just make sure you pick one of the following 5. How about fresh blueberries, apples, grapefruit, the jeweled essence of pomegranate, and then finally, don't be surprised, yes, avocado is a fruit. Well, there you have our top picks. All you have to do is pick one or more from each of the various components. I want you to put a little bit of green, how about a little bit of vegetables, give me some of those seeds and nuts, yes to protein, a couple of bits of fruit, how about some of those add-ons? Oh, I almost forgot. Last thing you need to do, head to the store at Weekend at the Cottage. We've got 3 great ideas for vinaigrettes. Remember, when you're there, bookmark the page. You're gonna reference this story a lot. Finally, a couple of other things. Please subscribe to our website. Look for us on your favorite social media feeds, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Well, now it's up to me and you. Let's commit to eating healthy. I've given you the tools. I want to see you make this happen. Send me a couple of pictures of the fabulous salads you create. I have a funny feeling Carol and I are going to be baking some delicious salads soon, and we're going to be sharing our picks with you. Come on back and visit again soon. Take care.